This is how you turn a Gemini conversation into a clean PDF report with images, tables, and code blocks. Most people copy and paste Gemini content into documents, but the formatting usually breaks. Images get lost, tables become messy, and structure disappears. So instead of doing that, let's use a better workflow. Here is the result first. This is a Gemini conversation exported as a clean PDF report. Images are preserved, tables are structured, and code blocks remain readable. Now let's go back to Gemini. Here I have a conversation with structured content, images, and analysis. Now I click the extension and export it as PDF. Click Export gives Done. No extra setup needed. Now let's open the PDF. Everything is clean and properly formatted. Images are embedded, tables are aligned, and the structure is fully preserved. Now let's scroll through it. You can clearly see this is no longer a chat. It is a structured report. This is the key advantage. Instead of raw Gemini history, you get a professional document. Use cases are simple: reports, research, client sharing, documentation, offline reading. This turns Gemini conversations into real documents you can reuse. In the next video, I will compare Obsidian, PDF, and Notion workflows for Gemini exports.